Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to set up auto reply text on iPhone. To set up auto reply text on our iPhone, we have to use focus mode. So go to your iPhone settings app and here tap on focus. Tap on this plus icon and select driving focus. We are going to set up auto reply text using driving focus. Now tap on customize focus and now auto reply, tap on this arrow icon and auto reply to, you can select recent contacts only, favorites only or all contacts. Your contacts will receive an auto reply when this focus is turned on. They may choose to notify you anyway by sending urgent as an additional message. And now to customize the auto text message, you can customize the message from here. Now go back from here and now all you have to need, just open your control center, tap on focus and turn on driving focus. Once your driving focus turn on, now on, whenever sends you a message, they will get a auto message reply using the focus mode. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.